Let's say a customer buys a product from your Amazon store, and it turns out to be defective. Maybe it overheats, breaks, or causes damage. What happens next? In a case like that, the customer could file a claim or even sue. And guess what? Even if you didn't manufacture the product, as the seller, you're still legally responsible. That's where product liability insurance steps in. It helps cover legal fees, medical costs, or property damage if a product you sold causes harm. With Next Insurance, product liability coverage is built into their general liability policy. And yes, it meets all of Amazon's seller requirements. Whether you're doing retail arbitrage, private label, or wholesale, this protection is critical. If you're selling on Amazon and don't have product liability coverage, you're one customer complaint away from serious trouble. So use the link in the description to get a quote from Next Insurance. It takes just a few minutes to protect your business.